I'm going to have a dinner at my parents' house.
I go to shopping center. I'm going to stay at home.
I'm going to play bowling with my parents. And you, Maria Rosa?
I feel bad, so I go to sleep early. Sorry.
Okay, I guess see you tomorrow.
See you.
Yes,
Yeah,
see you
see you.
too.
Bye.
Okay, bye. Bye.
And
Let's go to my place.
I saw the Alberton Castle. They are gay.
Really?
Yes, yes. They,
Oh my god. This is impossible.
yes, and it's possible. Yes, but maybe it's better that you don't say anything.
Okay, okay.
Alberton Castle.
We?
Yes.
Okay, okay. Hello.
Hi.
Alberto, do you have something to say to us?
No.
And you, Kasu?
No.
No, I don't know
Yes.
what you're talking about.
Yes.
No.
Okay, we have something to say. Maria Rosa?
We are lesbians.
No?
What?
¿Qué?
What?
Really?
Okay, it's the moment, Kazu.
No, no, no.
Yes.
Alberto.
Kazu and me are gays.
Sí.
Yes, we know.
Sí.
No.
No.
Yes.
No. Okay.
So,
Okay. Why didn't we tell this before?
Yes.
I don't know.
Oh, we had so much fun together, and now we're going to go to my place, eat some food, and watch TV. And...
Oh, look, they are definitely gay, so...
So they are normal people. Why you laugh?
Well,
They are boys who like each other.
maybe they are normal, maybe they aren't. I'm not sure. Well, maybe I don't know why I'm laughing.